Alright guys, we're going to make a parallel circuit. Can we do a quick job? Alright, make our wires. It's my red. Make it nice and square. Just make sure that's red so I can keep track of my wires. There's my black wire coming in. Bring it all the way to the other side. There you go. Make that black. And pull this there. Alright. So, cathode negative, anode positive. So we're going to make sure that the positive comes straight into the anode. And we're going to make that wire red. Okay, we're going to bring this into the cathode. Cathode is the negative. Okay, and the default is K ohms. You need to switch it to ohms, or you're going to have too much resistance. K ohms is that number, whatever you put in, times 1,000. So we don't need that much resistance for only 9 ohms. So we're going to put in roughly 450 ohms is about what you need for 9 volts. And to calculate that, where I got that number, I can show you in a lesson, which we had planned on getting to until all of the online classes started. Alright, so we're going to hook this up to a switch, and here's where you have to watch what you're doing. Make sure this goes into the same row as this. We're going to make sure that we go diagonal, so this is going to make a connection here, and then my next connection is going to make to the here to here, and so we're just going to test that to make sure it works. Should not come on until you push the button. There it goes. Alright, so we're going to repeat. We're going to put in cathode anode, and cathode anode, cathode anode. Here's my anode, and it goes straight up to this wire here. Make sure that's red. And there's my anode. And make sure that's red. Alright, so cathode is my negative, so I'm going to bring over my resistance to my negative. Alright, so if you hook it up backwards, if you hook up the red or positive to the cathode, it's not going to work because the LEDs only allow current to go one direction through the LED. So that's the way you have to do it. Alright, these guys are diagonal from each other, the connections. Black, bring that up there, and black. There we go. Alright, so now a parallel circuit. Each one of these will not turn on until we push their buttons. And as you can see, each one is connected to the power separately. So this is a parallel circuit. In a parallel circuit, these LEDs will light up no matter if this one is broken, burned out, no matter if 2 of them are burned out, 1 of them is going to light up. Alright, so we're going to start our simulation. Nothing lights up, which is the way we want, until we actually push the button. And there we go. That's it.